Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 2, Chipa 0. I'm joined by Unkuna.
Stibo.
Yeah.
Lo coach lo wethu lo Odoa.
Yeah.
Ngathi ubukela kakhulu ebhola yaseSpain.
Yeah.
Lento ukuthi mascore igoal aya lapha ekhoneni lapha.
I celebrate.
Ngathi uDiego Simeone lo Atletico Madrid awumbonanga last week. Wenze lento yona le.
We are gone.
Mascora naye uyalapha.
Yeah.
Number 2 mina Stibo simafans weBuccaneers.
Yeah.
Asiyeke lento ukuthi sigceke ucoach.
Yeah. Yeah.
Asibo labo Ramthuthu FC.
Kaizer Chiefs.
It's not Kaizer Chiefs, it's a few ones. So Stibo siyababongisa abafana nomfana kaGogo uMbokazi.
Yeah.
All the best, siyayibona indlela yakhe ihlobile.
Yeah.
Laba baqhubeka bajabulele lo. Umkhokha.
Yeah.
And uMahlo akazimisele practice.
Yeah.
Download the video eBuccaneers abukele.
Yeah.
Witse. Sarane Kamato. Sabambi and 12 Stiwo. Siya Emalahleni branch.
Thank you, Rodnani. Yeah.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?